Let's be honest, just hearing the word budgeting can make you want to pull your hair out. You've probably tried it before, felt overwhelmed, and ended up giving up, right? It feels like a chore, a restriction, or even just plain confusing. What if I told you there's a super simple way to manage your money without all the stress? A method so straightforward, you can actually stick to it, understand it, and finally feel in control of your finances. We're talking about the 50/30/20 rule. It's a powerful, easy to follow guideline that simplifies your spending, boosts your savings, and helps you achieve your money goals without any complicated spreadsheets or restrictive rules. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to apply this rule to your own income, gain clarity on where your money goes, and feel empowered to make smarter financial choices. Ready to take control? First up is the big one. 50% of your income goes to your needs. These are the absolute essentials you can't live without. Think of them as your financial oxygen mask. What counts as a need? Rent or mortgage, groceries, utilities like electricity and water, and transportation to work or school. These are the non-negotiable expenses that keep a roof over your head and food on your table. Let's say you earn $3,000 a month after taxes. 50% of that, or $1,500, would be allocated to these critical needs. This is the foundation of your entire budget. It's important to be honest with yourself. Here, a daily coffee habit, while lovely, is not a need. Stick to the bare necessities to ensure this foundational category is covered. Next up is 30% for your wants. This is where the fun begins. We're talking about all those things that make life enjoyable but aren't strictly necessary for survival. Think of it as your discretionary spending money. If you earn $3,000, 30% means $900 goes into this category. This covers things like eating out with friends, subscriptions to your favorite streaming services, or that new video game you've been eyeing. Wants are flexible, unlike your needs. If you're feeling a bit tight one month, you can easily scale back on these expenses without impacting your basic living situation. They are there to enhance your life, not to be a burden. The key is to enjoy your wants responsibly, knowing that you've already covered your essential needs and plan for your future. This balance keeps you happy today while securing your tomorrow. Finally, the last 20% of your income goes to something super important: savings and debt. This is where you build your financial future and get rid of nagging debts. Think of it as investing in your future self. If you're making $3,000, that's $600 specifically set aside. You could use this to pay down credit card balances, student loans, or any other debt that's weighing you down. Tackling debt here is a game changer. Or you might put this $600 towards an emergency fund, making sure you have a safety net for unexpected expenses like a car repair or a medical bill. Building up 3 to 6 months of living expenses here is a smart move. So how does it all fit together? Let's go back to our $3,000 monthly income example. You'd allocate $1,550% for your essential needs like rent and groceries. That keeps your foundation solid and secure. Then you'd set aside $900, 30% for your wants, allowing you to enjoy life with dining out, entertainment, or those fun subscriptions. This balance prevents you from feeling deprived while still spending mindfully. And finally, $600, 20% goes straight towards savings and paying down debt, securing your future. Add them up: $500 for needs, $900 for wants, and $600 for savings/debt. That's your full $3,000 budget, perfectly balanced. What if your income is higher or lower? The beauty of the 50/30/20 rule is its flexibility. You simply apply the same percentages to your actual income, whether it's more or less, and adjust your dollar amounts accordingly. It's a guideline, not a rigid prison. So there you have it. The 50/30/20 rule isn't a strict budget police, it's your friendly guide to financial peace. It helps you balance enjoying life now with building security for tomorrow, all without feeling overwhelmed. Think of it as your simple money GPS. This rule gives you clear lanes for your money: 50% for your absolute needs, 30% for your fun wants, and a powerful 20% dedicated to savings and tackling any debt. It's a clear, actionable plan that puts you in the driver's seat of your finances, ready to give it a try. Pick 1 month and challenge yourself to follow the 50/30/20 rule. You might be surprised how much control and clarity you gain. It's truly a game changer for beginners. And if you want more easy to understand money tips just like this one, hit that subscribe button. We're here to help you get smart with your money, one simple step at a time.